channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this beautiful glamorous teal glittery look for Eid, and I'm transforming myself from this to this. It's so beautiful and glamorous. So yes, if you want to see how I create this beautiful glamorous look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting with my primer. I'm using the COLORBAR primer. So here I am color correcting my face with the orange corrector by KRYOLAN. I'm just color correcting under my eyes and around my mouth. For foundation, today I'm using the Maybelline SUPERSTAY matte foundation. My shade is 310. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade 07 Nutcracker. To bake my face, I'm using the KRYOLAN DERMA Color Powder. For contour and bronze, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Kit. I'm using this to contour my face. The brush here I'm using is PAC 330. Contouring my nose with the help of an eyeshadow brush. For bronzer, I'm using this shade and I'm applying that with the help of a PAC 261 brush. Now I'm just concealing and priming my eyelid with the same concealer. For my eye makeup, I will be using the Sleek V2 Ultra Matte palette. First, I'm taking the teal shade and applying that and packing that on the crease. Now from this NYX Brights palette, I'm taking this blue shade on my PAC 126 small blending brush and I'm just blending that shade over the previous teal shade on my crease. Take your time and blend the shadow so that it doesn't look harsh. Now taking this matte black shade and applying it on the eyelid. Now with the same small blending brush, I'm just blending out the crease so that it doesn't look harsh. For today's glitter, I'm using the TS Cosmetics glitter. It's in collab with Makeup by Tuba. So the shade is Beat That Heat. First I'm applying the NYX glitter primer and then above that I'm applying the loose pigment. Now applying some mascara. This is by Maybelline, and for falsies I went with GLOWMIER SOHO. Now to set my face, I'm using the Lakme 95 powder foundation. Applying the same crease shades on my lower lash line and smoking it out. Now applying Stay Quirky Badass Kajal on my waterline. I'm also tight lining my eyes with it. For my blush today, I'm using the GLAMGALS Cosmetics blusher in the shade number 34. And for my highlighter, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Baked Highlighter in the shade 03. I'm applying the same highlighter on my brow bone as well as on my inner corner. And lastly, for my lipstick, I'm using the NYB Runway Argan Oil Matte Lipstick in the shade Stage Wear. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you want, you can go for any other glitters, any other eyeshadows, whatever you like. And if you want to buy this loose pigments by TS Cosmetics, I would highly recommend recommend them. And yes, I will definitely mention the link to buy this product. I absolutely love it and I would highly recommend these glitters to you. These are loose pigments, so you can use it with glitter primer. If you like this video and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And yes, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then,